What's up, guys?
We're back with another video. As you know, it's
It's a talkie challenge. Okay, guys. So far, we've been eating some. Just so you know. See, look. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
The bag.
Look like that.
Guys, look at the bag.
Like, what is that? What is that?
So, guys, we're going to be doing the talkies challenge. I've been watching a couple videos. So, you ready to do this, Terrence?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so, guys, we don't have water because we have water, but we're not drinking any water because these not even hot. So, you ready? Get your bowl.
All right.
These are how they look, guys. Okay.
Start now.
Bowl. Get your bowl.
Okay.
Okay, guys, it's about to be easy. I love talkies. Look at this one. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're cheating. You have less. Here.
All right, let's like the same amount.
All right, guys. I'm about to start you. 3, 2, 1. Girl, come on.
Wow.
Fucking cool.
Right.
This is spicy.
I think it's spicy.
Okay, guys, we're done. Bye, guys.
No, nah.